I have KRUGER Matz Live 7 and let me show you how to enter the developer options on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen, find and select here the settings. So let me do it. Scroll down to the bottom of the list and choose system. Now from the following options, let's choose the about phone and let's tap a couple of times on build number. As you can see, you are now a developer, so you can go back and here you can open developer options. Here you may use developer features. For example, you can enable OEM Unlocking, tap enable, or you can enable USB Debugging, tap OK. Here you can also enable bug report shortcut, select mock location app and use other developer stuff. So that's it, everything went well, thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.